raining, but here comes world famous Sunshine Key. One place that I've never camped. There it is. Sunshine Key. They got rental trailers, a lounge, a beach, tiny houses. Ooh, there's a chess set. Sunshine Key. I remember one time I asked them if we'd fill the propane tank. They said only if I was camping there. I'm like, yeah, okay. See you later. Okay. So they closed all these fishing bridges, so that didn't help any here. This is Bahia Honda State Park. Much better place to stay and visit. There's some endangered little purple butterflies that live here. Crystal knows their name. I'll have to refer to a picture. Here's mile 38. Gonna be seen. Whenever it quits raining, you can see the beach on the left. That's a stroke of lightning. So when thunder roars, it's indoors. Jeez, it's lucky. Oh my gosh. It's pouring. Get the deluge. I'm sure this isn't a monsoon. Okay. What do we got going on here? Let's see.
You left them glasses.
No, I just wondered what all this was. It said Bahia Honda State Park.
Yeah,
They're working on it.
they're working on the road.
Oh, working on the seawall or something, yeah. Oh, it might be bad. Where they got this messed up, don't they? There's the beach off to the
Well,
left.
they did this since we
Mile
left.
37. And the rental cabins. There's the beach. There's the entrance to the park. Rental cabins on the right. And they got this thing messed up. At least it's good driving.
Only one lane.
Yeah, that ain't terrible. Maybe a Honda Bridge. Can't see much here. I guess I'll go ahead and kill it. Never mind. Maybe a Honda segment.
There's the bridge.
Yeah.
The old train bridge.
No, but you can actually see it.
That's the Hat Creek